Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the complete working of my all-in-one professional calculator project which is built using Python and CustomTkinter. This project will look really impressive on your resume. You will find the complete source code in the description below. So let me show you how this project works. So firstly, you see this is the compact button. So if I'll click on it, the window will be compacted. Okay, now this is the expand button. So if you want the calculator on a full window, so you can click on it, so it will be expanded on a full window. Okay, then you have this question mark button here. So if you'll click on it, you'll see keyboard shortcuts here. Okay, so not just these keys, but you can also use your keyboard keys to enter the number or to perform the calculation. Okay, so here you can see you can press 0 to 9 for entering the numbers. Okay, then plus, minus, multiply, divide, basic operations, enter to calculate the result. So if you want to clear all, then you can use the escape key. If you want to remove the last digit, you can use the backspace. And then these are the shortcut keys: Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Okay, then Control S for calculating the square root, Control L for logarithm, Control E for exponential. So this way you can add more to it if you want. Then we have this dark mode and light mode theme like this. Okay, now let me show you how this works. So I can use my keyboard keys to enter number like this, and once I hit enter or press equal to, we can see the result. Okay, and the history you can see here on the right hand side. So if you have to clear only the last digit, then you can click on this button. If you have to clear everything, then you can use this all clear. This will clear everything. Okay, then if you have this expression, okay, and then you want to multiply it with 3. Now if you'll click this clear entry, so what this will do, this will just clear this 3 and not 25 multiplied by. Okay, so 25 multiplied by 5 we can write, and we'll get the result 25 multiplied by 5 equals to 125. So CE will simply clear the entry. Okay, and it will not clear the expression, but AC, this is all clear, this will clear the expression as well. Let me show you. If I am mentioning 25 into 3, okay, now if I press AC and if I do 6, so I'm not seeing any result, right? 6 is just a new number. I hope you are getting me. Okay, so you understood what is the C. This will simply remove the current entry text, it will not remove the expression. AC will clear everything, this will remove the last digit only. Okay, then we can also find out the square root of this number, we can square this number, we can see the reciprocal of this number. Okay, we can do mod of this number. Okay, we can plus any number to it, we can multiply, we can divide, we can do all these operations. Okay, so if you do 96 divided by 3, you are getting this result. Okay, and here you can see the history. If you want to see the previous result, so you can just simply click on that and you will see the result here on the display. Okay, so this is the basic mode. If you switch mode from here, this is the advanced mode. Okay, here you will see more operations. Okay, and before showing you the more operations on this advanced mode, let me switch back to the basic mode. And here you have MC, MR, M plus, M minus, MS. So what are these and how these work? Let me show you. So I'll just clear all. So if I'm entering 25, I'll do MS. What is this? This is memory save. Okay, so in memory 25 is saved. Okay, if you want to see what is stored in the memory after saving it, you can click on this MR. MR is for memory recall. Okay, so you can see 25. So if you clear everything and if you click on this MR, since in memory 25 is saved, right? So MR will show you 25 here. Okay, then MC will clear the memory. So if I'll click on it, now the memory is cleared. So if I clear everything, now if I press on MR, it won't show anything because from the memory the number is removed. Okay, then if I'm saving 25 in the memory, then I can save more to it. So now if I click on this memory recall, earlier there was 25, okay, but then we added 25 more to the memory, right? So now it will be 50. Okay, similarly we can subtract some number from it. So we can do, let me clear, we can subtract 6. Okay, so I'll do m minus. Okay, so from the memory 6 will be deducted, so now it's 44. I hope you are getting this. Now I'll switch mode. So here you can get the value of sine 44, then cos value, tan value, okay, log value, ln value. Okay, so if anything is wrong, then we'll see simply error. Can clear all, so we can get ln value. Okay, then we can see the factorial of any number, then we can cube a number, we can find the square of a number, we can also do square root of the number. Okay, then I'll go to the converter. So if I'll click on it, you can see here we are seeing the category. Okay, so all these categories are there. Okay, so if you have to convert the currency, so you will select the currency. Okay, here you can choose the currency from which you want to convert, and here you can choose the two currency. Okay, so from here I'll just stick to USD, and here I'll change this to INR. So I'll mention 100. So this is the result. Okay, so this will give you the correct result. Okay, every day the data gets updated. Then similarly you can also check the length. So 100 millimeter is 10 centimeter. You can also check 100 kilometer is this many centimeter. Okay, so accordingly you can just check whatever you want. Okay, so from here you can just convert your unit. Then I'll go to the graph section. So once I go to the graph, from here we can check the graphs of different functions. Okay, for example, if you have to check the graph of sin x, so you'll click on it. So here you'll see the sin x graph. Similarly, cos x graph, x square graph, log x graph, e to the power x graph. Okay, if you have to check some other graph like x to the power cube, x to the power 3. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, so I hope you understood how this is working. We can also clear this history from here. So if you don't want the history, you can clear it. Okay, but if there is some history, if you will rerun it, that history will simply be reloaded. Similarly, if you have compacted your window on rerun, you will see the window in a compacted position only. Okay, and you can see the history as well. We can also create the exe of the calculator app and install on our system. We can also distribute the exe to others, and they can also install it in their system. So after creating the exe, this will work as it is. So that's it. If you have any suggestions or ideas to improve this project, drop them in the comment section. And if you want to learn this project step by step from scratch in a live class, you can contact me. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing Python projects. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.